Once a month, on top of the weekly checks, you need to spend an additional couple of minutes checking components to ensure optimal performance. First, check the terminals on the side and back of the power supply cabinet, ensuring connections are tight and creating proper contact from wiring to terminal. Then, check the float feeder and the chlorine output line. If the unit is on, you should see a steady stream of water flowing through the float feeder and into the chlorine output line. With float feeder installations, calcium deposits can build up inside the float feeder. This can lead to issues at the float's seal and cause air bubbles in the chlorine output line. If this is the case, ensure all fittings going from the float feeder to the chlorine output line are securely fastened, but if error in the chlorine output line persists, acid wash the float feeder. Watch our video on how to acid wash a float feeder for specific instructions. Lastly, regardless of any visible deposits, you will need to acid wash the cell with 31% muriatic acid each month to maintain a valid warranty and optimize the unit's performance. Although a monthly acid wash is recommended, there are two signs to keep an eye on to understand if you need to acid wash more frequently. One sign is if incoming water hardness is above 150 parts per million. If incoming tap water is high hardness, Ultimate Water recommends acid washing twice monthly. The other sign is visible deposits in the float feeder or chlorine output lines, even if your unit was installed with a Venturi. If there are visible deposits in any of the downstream components, perform an acid washing. Please watch our video on how to acid wash the cell for step-by-step instructions.